In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson ColorWorks C7500G series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer, tablet, or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Epson ColorWorks C7500G support. Best result, you're going to come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson ColorWorks C7500G. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to click the drop down, next to operating system, and select your appropriate operating system version, and then the Go button. Then expand the driver section and select the print driver download listed in here. Select the open file option once it's done, and it should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to continue, and then follow through with the on-screen wizard here of configuring your printer based on your preferences to your device, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.